Okay, rule number 5, moving right along. This one's a little bit longer. It says, once an idea has been accepted at a subconscious level, it remains there and governs our behavior in that area of our expression from that time forward until it's replaced by a new idea or is altered and amended. Okay, that one is actually pretty easy. It's long and detailed, but it's basically what this program is all about. As long as you have a program, an idea, a rule that's in your subconscious mind, it will govern your life. Just like in the rules before, your thoughts or ideas have physical reactions. So if you're one that has a lot of stomach issues, discontent in your stomach, and you know it's because of stress, as long as you have the same ideas that are causing the stress, or maybe it's even just the idea that stress is harmful for you. Let's just play with that for a second. Let's believe for a moment that stress is bad for me. Stress can cause a heart attack. Stress can keep me from thinking straight. All of these things that we've heard about stress over the last couple decades. If you believe that, then that belief that governs your what does it say? Governs our behavior of our expression from that time forth in that area. So whatever the effects of stress are on us, because we believe it's harmful, will continue to be harmful until we replace it with a new and better idea. Of course, you can replace it with a worse idea, but we want to move up, right? We're promoting our lives to a higher level. So if I told you that stress actually isn't bad for you, for some people, stress gets the job done. Stress gets me moving in the morning. There are probably hundreds of CEOs that thrive on stress. And when you get to my HPA axis video, you'll understand with the blood vessels and how it all works. But for right now, I just want you to just play around with the idea or belief that I'm right, that stress isn't harmful, only if you think it is. If you can change it at that subconscious level that, okay, stress is here to help me. Instead of, if the rule is stress is here to harm me, then you get your stomachs in knots, you have the tension in your shoulders, your blood vessels will actually close, and that can cause heart problems. But if you believe that stress is there to help you, then your blood vessels open, you get more oxygen to your brain, so you can think clearly, and you get more energy to move through the action that the stress is bringing on. Does that make sense? So basically, that's all it is. When you have a thought, that is how you're going to show up in life. If you believe the whole world hates me, I'm going to go eat worms, you're going to act as if the whole world hates you until you replace it with a new and better thought. The world loves me. Or something that's more accurate. I'm not for everybody, and that's okay. Some people hate me, some people love me, some people are in between or indifferent, and it's okay. So whatever thoughts are harming you, we go in and we find the seed and we change it to something that's more helpful. And we want to be, this is just side tangent, we want to be clear in our reality. We don't want to create a fantasy world that we live in way up here that's pretend. That's not going to be helpful in the end. We also don't want to believe in this world that we're way down here and then life is awful and sad and scary and depressing and anxious and all of that. That's not accurate either. We want to be here, homeostasis, the way reality actually is and can be. Okay? So try that on and see how it feels in your mind. Think about what kind of ideas have been accepted by you that you want to change. Those are the ones we want to replace. Start making notes. Have a section in your phone maybe of notes. When something comes up, automatically a trigger, and you think of something and you show up in a way you don't like or you don't want, make a note of it, because when we learn how, we'll go back and replace it. All right, till the next time.